Welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you are going to make money with derivatives trading on coinEX crypto exchange. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're new to this channel, you already know what I do. Always find ways to make money with traditional amount of Bitcoin and everything related as cryptocurrency. And coinEX is a crypto exchange that I've been trading derivatives on, and so far it has been great because fees are lower and they have a lot of tools that can help you and avoid pretty much all the liquidations and stuff like that. So this is the reason why I'm also trading on coinEX. So if you like spot trading or derivatives, make sure you use coinEX crypto exchange. So basically it's pretty much like all the other crypto exchanges. You have got your markets, exchanges, futures and stuff like that. But in this video, we're just going to jump right into derivatives trading. So basically, you're going to go to where it's written futures and click where it's written futures trading, and it's going to take you straight to futures dashboard. But like if you want to see what's going on in the market and you want to see the data and stuff like that, including the liquidations, you can also check all that data on coinEX. So you can see there's a number of liquidation within 24 hours, and you can see the volume between buyers and sellers and stuff like that. So right now, like today, you can see that a lot of people are kind of like selling, and we have this red candle, but they have a lot of data right here that can help you throughout your trading career and stuff like that. So this is also another reason why I've been trading on coinEX. So basically, if you want to trade futures, it is very straightforward. All you have to do is to click futures and click futures trading, and it's going to take you to trading dashboard. So if you're new into derivatives trading, I'm going to explain to you what it is all about, and I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to set orders, take profits and stuff like that, and enter a position. And also I'm going to show you my secret tool that I use when I'm trading futures trading on all these crypto exchanges. So basically what you're looking at right here, this is a Bitcoin chart. As you can see, this is a Bitcoin pair, and you can also choose to any other pairs like Ethereum and stuff like that. But right now the main pair is Bitcoin, right? And right here you're looking at candlesticks, and this chart right here is provided by TradingView. I don't really like that theme. I would rather change it to dark. Let's go to the dark. All right, so this is my favorite one. And you can also add multiple charts, like let's say, two charts, and you can pretty much divide it, right? This one you can put Bitcoin, and on other chart you can put Ethereum, and this can just help you to pretty much enter positions on multiple pairs and stuff like that without going back and forth. And so this is also another reason why I'm trading on coinEX, because of this feature. I can actually like put 4 charts, and I don't have to go back and forth on TradingView. I can pretty much monitor all these charts. So right here looking at pairs, so this is where you can also see all other pairs like Ethereum and stuff like that, and it's going to show you pretty much right here if you want to trade Ethereum and stuff like that. So right here on the right side, you are looking at the order book. So these are all sellers and these are all buyers. All right, so these people meet right here at the center. So these people are willing to sell, or they're willing to take a short position. So you can see that this number from the bottom going upwards, it will start increasing, right? And from this number right here, which is 3,783, going downwards, it will start decreasing, because these people are willing to enter position, or are willing to buy at a lower price. So these ones are willing to long or make money when the price is going up, and these ones are willing to sell or make money when the price is going down. So it's simple like that. It's not really complicated, and this is pretty much a section where you enter a position, like buy and sell and take profits and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how exactly you are going to do that, and I'm also gonna show you my tools, tools that I use to pretty much predict the future, where the price is gonna go in the future. So right here you can see that we have got at least 74 USD in our wallet, and we're gonna use the 74 USD to pretty much enter a position and stuff like that. Keep in mind that this is 1 hour candlestick, which means that each and every candle right here represents 1 hour. You can also change it like to 4-hour candlestick, and it means that each and every candle here represents 4 hours. So right here you can see that we have got cross right here, and you can pretty much change right here, right? With isolated, it can allow me to put my own amount that I'm willing to risk and stuff like that. But with cross, it pretty much uses all your available balance that is in your wallet. You know what I mean? So I always recommend people to use isolated and take a position with amount that they are willing to risk and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave it on isolated, and this is leverage. So with leverage, you're pretty much multiplying the amount that you have in your wallet. So if I put 5x, it means that I'm gonna multiply this 70 USD times 5. and you know the value. But the more you increase the leverage is the more you increase the risk of being liquidated. So I always recommend people to leave it at 10x or 8x. You know what I mean? You don't really have to take a lot of risky. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and click confirm. So it means that I'm satisfied with this leverage, and I'm using isolated, it's not cross. If I use cross, I'm gonna use the whole available balance that I have in my wallet. So in this case, I only want to use like 50 USD and stuff like that. So this is Ethereum pair, but let's go to Bitcoin pair, right? Because I want to trade Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right there, and it's going to show me Bitcoin pair. So this is BTC. So right now you can see that our current candle is green and it's kind of like going up and stuff like that. So I'm going to go for a long position, which means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up. So if I take a short position or sell, it means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. So right now let's go for long, and right here I can just put the amount that I'm willing to put in this position. So you can see that I've got like 74 USD, and this is 20x isolated. Let's put it at 10x. You know what I mean? We don't really have to expose ourselves to risky. So I'm just gonna use, let's say like 72% of my available amount in my wallet. You know what I mean? And this is the value in BTC, and this is my entry price. So keep in mind that there's two different ways to enter a position. There's limits and markets. If I use market order, it means that I'm just going to enter a position immediately, and I'm not going to put my own price or any price that I'm willing to enter at. But if I use a limit order right here, it means that I'm going to have to put a specific price that I'm willing to enter. So let's say I want to enter a position at 67,900. You know what I mean? It can allow me to put right here 67,900. You know what I mean? So if the price of Bitcoin goes down and hits 67,900, my position will be executed. You know what I mean? But if I use a market order, it means that I'm gonna enter a position immediately, and I'm not gonna wait and stuff like that, and I'm gonna pay some fees. You know what I mean? So let's just use a market order, so then I'm gonna wait and stuff like that. So right here you can see that I'm using 70% of available balance that I have in my wallet, and this is a market order. If we click buy right here, we're just gonna enter a position immediately and stuff like that, and not gonna wait. And let's go for a long position. You know what I mean? So right here is pretty much the summary of this order. So you can see that this is 10x isolated. It means that I have multiplied this 74 USD by 10. You know what I mean? So this is my liquidation price. You know what I mean? So this is very, very important. You can see that my liquidation price is at 61,416, which means that if the price of Bitcoin drops to 61,715, which is down here, let's see, it's 61, right? Yeah, 61,715 somewhere else right here. It means that I will lose the whole available balance that I have in my wallet. I will lose the whole 74 USD if the price of Bitcoin drops to this price, 61,715. But if the price of Bitcoin goes up or goes above my entry price, which is right here, and goes up, let's say, to 71,300, I will be making money and I'll be in profits. So this is what leverage is all about. You know what I mean? Is, you know, win-to-win situation. You take a risk, you win. You miss it out, you get wiped out and stuff like that. So this is another way of making money on coinEX, and this is what I've been using, and this is what I've been doing and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I do pretty much, you know, I trade derivatives every day. So right now let's take a long position and let's confirm and let's enter a position. So right now you can see that I've got a long position right here, and this is a summary of this position. So this is a long position. It means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, and this is the amount in BTC, and this is my entry price, or the price that I entered at. You know what I mean? So this was a market order. It just gave me a current price, which is right here. But let's say if I used the limit order, I would have put my own price, like let's say like 50,000, and if the price of Bitcoin goes down to 50,000, I would have entered a position. And you can see that the current price, or the market price, is 67,913. So that's the market price, or the current price, and right here is the liquidation price. Also, if the price of Bitcoin goes down to 61,451, I'm gonna get wiped out or I'm gonna get liquidated. And this is the amount that I put in this position, which is 74 USD. And this is my P&L, or how much money I'm making or how much money I'm losing. So this is how exactly you enter position. And if you want to take profit, pretty much the same thing. All you have to do is to click right here, edit. So let's say we want to take profit if the price of Bitcoin hit 70 USD. And I mean, so right here it says take profit. So we want to take profit if the price of Bitcoin hits 70 USD. So just gonna type right here 70,000, and you can see how much money we're gonna make. We're gonna make 22 USD if the price of Bitcoin goes up to 70 USD right here. Right here, we're gonna make the 22 USD according to this position. And I can also put a stop loss. So let's say we want to get stopped out if the price of Bitcoin goes to 67,800. You know what I mean? 800. It means that I'll get stopped out and I'm gonna lose -1 USD. And I want to take profit if the price of Bitcoin hit 70 USD, like 70 USD, like this, right? So right now right now we are good. If the price of Bitcoin drops and hit 67,800, I'm gonna lose 1.5 USD. And if the price of Bitcoin goes up to 70 USD, I'm gonna make 22 USD. So this is how exactly you protect yourself from getting liquidated and stuff like that. And this is a part of risk management. So right there says stop loss has been set and stuff like that, take profit has been set and stuff like that. Now we're good to go. Now I want to show you how exactly do I know that the price of Bitcoin is gonna go up or is gonna go down in the future. In this case, I use TradingView. So now you can see that this position is now in green. It means that we are now in profit and we're making money and stuff like that. So now I want to show you how exactly I know if the price of Bitcoin is gonna go up or is gonna go down in the future. I use heavy crypto indicator. So to know where the price is gonna go in the future, I use heavy crypto indicator. And this indicator that tells you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. As you can see, it gives me this selling, buy and sell signals. When it's time to sell, I get a sell signal and the price of Bitcoin drops. And when I get a buy signal, I go to coinEX and put a position. You know what I mean? So this is pretty much how I trade. When it's time to buy, I go to coinEX and put a long position. You know what I mean? So right now, because our position is in the green and it means that we're making money. But when it's time to buy, I go to coinEX and put a buy long position, and that's how I make money. And when it's time to sell, it's time to sell, I also wait for the signal. And when I get the signal, I go on coinEX and put a short position, and that's how I make money with derivatives. So if you want these indicators, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and that's where exactly you can be able to get one of these indicators. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies trading and stuff like that, you can also check out heavycryptouniversity.online. And this is pretty much a course that covers pretty much anything from a beginner to advanced trading and stuff like that. So if you really want to take this trading game to another level, I recommend that you check out this popular course right here, and it's gonna, pretty much guide you on your crypto trading journey. And if you want this indicator, you can get it right here. It comes with all other indicators, and we have video tutorials that will help you to pretty much learn everything about trading and how exactly you are going to use heavy crypto tools and indicators. So my name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you guys how exactly you are going to make money with derivatives trading on coinEX, because coinEX is a crypto exchange that I'm recommending right now because fees are very, very cheap and it's easy to use, and you can get support if anything goes wrong and stuff like that. So my name is Arthur. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button, and you can contact me if you want to reach out to me. All my social media platforms gonna be in the description below as well. So this is my signing out. Therefore, I'll see the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.